Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the keyboard bezel on a Dell Latitude 5491. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Remove base cover screws. Then use fingers to pry apart and remove base cover. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Next, use thin object to pry apart and remove keyboard bezel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.